Hello everyone and welcome back to this week's video. My name is Alyssa and this week I have a lot of custom orders planned. I currently have 3 on my list that I need to get done and they're in the top priority, but I also have like 8 or 9 more other than that, but people are waiting to put deposits down. But I have 3 currently that I need to get done that I put deposits down, and I wanted to show you the first one that I had done over the weekend. I did finish it. I didn't film a lot because I was just focused on it, but I did finish the little hummingbird. It is the cutest little guy. I love it. It was so easy to make and so quick. This is the first one. The second custom order I have to work on this week is a longhorn cow, and I have made plenty of those in the past, but this one is actually a standing one. But I did start on it already, and I already filmed clips for that, so I will insert those now. And here is what I have so far. I have a headless cow, but I have the tail and the legs and body, and I made the ears and the horns, and now I just have to make the head. So I'm hoping to get that done really soon so that it can get to its new owner and I can work on my next order. But that is the update for now, and I'm going to be working on the head next, and then we'll move on to the next custom order. So stay tuned for this week's video and let's get into the video. Hello everyone, so I have an update. It is Wednesday now in this week, and I finished the longhorn cow, and she is massive and she is so cute, and I'm really sorry. But I did not film a lot of this because it was a new pattern and it was a little bit, it wasn't difficult, but just had to follow the pattern, and trying to film and follow is a little bit difficult. But here she is, and I will be taking her to her new home here in a little bit. But for the rest of the day, I'm going to put a pause on the custom orders because they're in no rush and I need to finish my cousin's blanket, just so I have enough time to finish it before her graduation party, and so I'm not rushing. But I'll be working on that the rest of the day, so I will be filming that in a little bit when I start. So let's get started with that. So it is now Thursday, and this has come to the end of the video, and I worked on the 6-day star blanket a little bit this week. I will be working on it a lot this weekend and at the beginning of the week to try and get it finished. And I do still have a lot of custom orders lined up. I am just waiting for some people to put deposits down, and some of them said no rush, so I am definitely taking my time with that because I want to get the 6-day star blanket done first. But I also got my Longhorn cow custom order done this week, and yeah, that's kind of all we did this week. It was a little bit chill. I was a little bit busy as well, but next week will definitely be another week of working on projects, so definitely stay tuned for next week's video, and I hope that you enjoyed this one. And subscribe, like, comment. I love seeing all your guys' comments, and I respond to all of them. So yeah, if you have any questions, comment down below. If you want to chat, comment down below, and I will see you guys next week. Bye guys.